Orthopedic Manual Physical Therapist, AOMPT is very proud to announce Youth Physio Icon Awards 2020 on the auspicious event to celebrate successful 5 days of first Youth Physio Webicon 2020 organized by the Students Wing, Haryana Chartered Association of Physiotherapists, and we had great lectures, excellent scientific sessions and interactive question answer sessions following every lecture, and also we have the quiz competition for the students. So to highlight all the activities of the students, this Youth Physio Icon Awards are instituted exclusively for the BPT students. Those who have submitted the screenshots, comment screenshots of all the speakers, 15 speakers, they are the category 1. Some students or many students have not yet submitted any of the comment screenshots. They are category 2. So what happens here? Both of them are eligible to prepare a video for 10 minutes. In that 10 minutes video, they should speak about the future of physiotherapy. What is their vision to make a better physiotherapy in India? And then second one, individual perspective. That is how they will be becoming a better physical therapist. So if a student talks, that means they'll first talk about how the physiotherapy situation in India can improve, and then the next one is how I can improve as a best physical therapist. What is their dream? What is their idea? And then next one, third is what are the 5 salient features in the Webicon conference which made them learn better, to become better, and to take some positive message as a physiotherapy student. And the fourth, very important, where the students can rank the faculties who are the speakers. So 15 speakers in addition to the 10 speakers who have uploaded the videos. So 25 speakers are there. So watch all the videos, and then you will have to give ranking 1, 2, 3. The top 3 speakers. So this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, and this speaker I liked it because of this reason. Okay, you should tell the explanation also. What made you to like that lecture specifically? Okay, there is nothing wrong in telling anything as a suggestion. It always improves our teaching quality as a speaker, and we want to know what the students like. Okay, what way they enjoy the lecture session, so that we can make better and better lectures. So next, coming to the video, when you are making, remember, highlight, talk your vision for the better future of physiotherapy, your vision to become the best physical therapist, 5 best features of first Youth Physio Webicon 2020, and top 3 best speakers and why. Once you make the video, submit your video entries by WhatsApp to AOMPT at 80599342234. BPT students from all over India can vote. Okay, so once we receive the videos, we will upload it in the HCAP, the Youth Webicon page. Okay, so in the page it will be uploaded. Among the speakers, your videos will also be there. So with your video, your details will be there, name, college name, and your qualification like BPT final year or third year or first year, it will be there. And then there will be a separate code with your name. So whoever watches your video, then after that they should send that code as a WhatsApp message to AOMPT. So that is the voting system. Like in any ballot, we always have a voter's ID card. Same like that, if a student is voting, they should submit the college identity card as proof with their voting, the secret code. Okay, with your name, the code will be there. If your name is Shiva, okay, the code might be as I support Shiva 12, okay, 12. It's a candidate number 12. Okay, so it can be of any of those kind of terms which will be highlighted clearly. So that alone the person has to send with the college identity card. Remember, anyone you can share the video, either directly or as the link, but most preferably the YouTube link, which is uploaded in RK Mudgil YouTube page, YouTube channel, and also the Youth Physio Webicon page in the Haryana Chartered Association of Physiotherapists Facebook page. So remember, you should share that link everywhere. Ensure that the video also has maximum views, okay, and you should also get maximum votes. So both should be there. If views are less but only votes are coming, it is not valid, okay. It cannot be. We want 500 views are there, votes should be 400 or 300. That is the average. Normally it can happen. You can't have 100 views for the video and have votes for 1000, okay. You cannot share the video directly with others. It is only you have to share the link through the Facebook or the YouTube. And whenever everyone votes and they send their college proof, if it is a physiotherapist, they will send IAP membership ID card or the certificate or their degree certificate. Okay, professionals will send like that. Students will send the college ID card. So with the proofs they are sending, their name will be registered in the AOMPT. And what is the benefit of that registration? Every person who is voting for this student's videos will be eligible for one free workshop exclusively by the AOMPT. It's a 2 hours workshop, and you will get a separate certificate also for that, absolutely free of cost. Okay, so don't miss the opportunity. Students, get ready to make the videos, and their friends, get ready to start voting. And today evening I am going to upload all the videos which I have received. I have received around 5 videos, so I will be uploading one by one. Be ready to support your friends and get rocking. We will see who is the winner, first, second and third prize, who is going to bag the cash, 1000 rupees, 750 rupees and 500 rupees, and also get a certificate of appreciation that they are the Youth Physio Icon 2020 of first Youth Physio Webicon 2020 organized by the Haryana Chartered Association of Physiotherapists. So students, you now have an opportunity to voice yourself, and the contest is held with the real intention of empowering the youth is the only way to empower the future. So wish you all a very good luck. On behalf of the AOMPT, it is Professor Senthil P. Kumar, Founder President, gladly announcing this contest. You will have time to send the videos till 2nd May, and the votes will be considered till 5th May. Okay, so after 5th May we will be announcing the results, and as per the updates we will be informing you whether we will be keeping a rapid fire round of quiz if there are multiple entries with nearing scores. Okay, the scores are leveled between participants. Then we'll keep a tiebreaker round with the quiz. This contest is independent from the quiz contest. Quiz contest participants also will be winning similar cash prizes depending upon their performance in the HCAP website. All these 3 winners also get complimentary AOMPT lifetime membership, and if they are already members, they will be receiving a package of videos for learning anatomy, biomechanics, pathomechanics, differential diagnosis and physical examination, spine and also upper and lower extremities. So it's a valuable gift that COVID-19 lockdown phase 2 has given, such an opportunity for all of us to get together and know each other. And now AOMPT is ready to give to everyone the power of positivity, knowledge. Knowledge is the only way to take our profession forward. So good luck to you all. Keep in touch. Note the AOMPT's number. +91 is the universal code India 8059934 Okay, that's where you are going to send your videos, and your friends who are watching the videos from Facebook or YouTube should be sending the vote to this number only with their ID proof. So make sure that everyone gets going. The conference is not yet over. We are yet to find the real leaders of the future. That is amongst our students, the Youth Physio Icon 2020.